Serve fried foods to hungry customers with Cooking Performance Group Countertop electric fryers. Compact and powerful, these units feature a durable stainless steel body and heavy-duty metal knobs, making them ideal for food trucks and commercial applications. Available in 15-pound and 30-pound options, they come with single or dual tanks and have immersion-style tubular heating elements that tilt back for easy cleaning. Their removable oil pan has a large open area to prevent overflow, and the thermostatic temperature control ranges from 120 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. For safety, they include an indicator light that lets you know when the fryer is ready to use. Plus, the high-limit safety switch turns off the fryer automatically if the temperature exceeds 464 degrees Fahrenheit. Dependable and designed for longevity, these fryers are an excellent choice for enhancing your commercial kitchen.